Caden over at Vengeance Racing. We got this beautiful 2023 Camaro ZL1 that just got brought to us. It is bone stock and coming in for our Stage 5 performance package. Our Stage 5 package consists of a ported supercharger, LME ported heads, our custom camshaft kit, upgraded heat exchangers, DSX 945 lower, Rotofab Big Gulp, Nick Williams. This customer also opted in for our billet valve covers and coil relocation to really clean up that engine bay. So we're really excited to get working on this one.
This car just laid down a pretty solid 796, 730 foot-pounds of torque. This should be enough to destroy the customer's stock tires. Great package, pump gas, sounds great, drives amazing. Killer package.